I'm Udutha Rohith and I'm based out of Karimnagar. I'm staying in Hyderabad and I joined Qspiders in the month of October and I joined in the first year batch and I cracked the interview in the Fire Link in the month of January and with a pay of 3 LPA. And coming to the faculty in these Qspiders, they are like explaining each and every concept with real-time examples and daily presentation and mocks also conducted according to the daily topics. And by doing this daily, we are gaining real concept knowledge and we can also overcome the fear in the presentation. By doing this, I cracked this interview. Mm, For thanking for this opportunity to the Qspiders and faculty, HRs who are supporting us and giving this great opportunity to crack this interview.